What's up guys? Aaron here ng Team Red Ninjas, and what we have right now, ang ating pong business kit from kita niyan, Unilever Network. Okay. Ito yung package na isesend kapag nagpa-register ka sa Unilever Network as a BA after paying 800 pesos. Okay? So, make sure na tama yung address na pagsesendan nyo or yung i-register nyo na address dun sa website natin sa unilevernetwork.com.ph. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano laman. So, ang kapalit ng 800 pesos mo is itong business kit na to. Sa mga nag-pre-sign up before sa Thailand, wala nito. Pero ito yung nagre-register kasi ko. As you can see, BA Starter Kit. Okay? So, ito siya. May envelope. What you get inside is a Unilever Network USB stick. Alright? Di ko alam kung ilang gigabytes to, pero this is nice. For 800 pesos, you get this package. Alright? So, ilalagay ko sa description below kung ilan ng, pero check ko muna, saglit lang. Alright, so na-check ko siya sa laptop. It has 4 gigabytes. Okay? So, sa loob nung file na to, ay sa loob ng USB na to, you get tatlong PDF file. Okay? Yung policies and procedure, yung product catalog ng Unilever Network Philippines, at yung code and conduct, parang user agreement, ganon. So tatlong file lang siya na PDF. Ito po yung laman ng Unilever Network USB natin, 4 gigabytes. Okay, so set aside natin yan. Now we have this stick. Ito na yung pang-present. Alright, so this is the partner with one of the world's best companies. So dito makikita nyo yung parang presentation ng PDF na hardbound. Okay, so andito yung OmniConnect, andito yung i12 history of Unilever Network, and yung brief preview ng Unilever branding. Ano pa nandito? Ito, yung office natin sa Thailand. Take a look. Alright. So, ito yung mga makikita nyo dito sa loob ng hardbound package na to. And we also have here, this is privilege shopper application. So, dalawang page siya. Meron din ditong privilege shopper. Mga terms and conditions. Marami siya, oh. Ilang pieces to? Tatlong privilege shopper forms, and meron tayong pati envelope may branding, BA. Alright, a form for affiliate. Okay, kailangan ng form for affiliate. Meron ding BA application form. Ito, dalawang copy yata to. Dalawang copy. Isang copy ng affiliate, tapos tatlong copy ng privilege shopper user agreement. So, ito yung 800 pesos natin. Mga forms, envelope, the brochure or the presentation in her soft copy, parang magazine type siya, and the Unilever Network USB 4 gigabytes. Okay, so yan lang yung ating unboxing nitong BA package starter kit ng Unilever Network. Pag di ka pa registered, you can visit the link below. Andun yung PH code ko, PH40 and then 197. Okay, so sign up ka lang, and so far right now, credit card pa lang or debit card, Paymaya yung pwedeng gamitin na option to register as a BA. So, may instructions tayo na dedicated video dun sa link below. Okay? O yung kasunod ng video na to. Andun yung video paano tayo mag-register as a BA. Follow nyo lang, and then Yeah, it's 2018 and papasok na po yung mga products natin this January after ng soft launch around 19 to 21 of January sa Insular Life Building sa Makati. Okay, so if you're not yet registered, sign up kayo. Promising ang Unilever network, and see you on the top. Again, this is Aaron of Team Red Ninjas. Maraming salamat po. Subscribe pala kayo sa channel natin sa baba for more updates. Thank you.